Hey, my friend, we are always looking for ways to make your Pinterest journey easier. And in one of my classes, the Pin to Profit Accelerator, the ladies and I were playing around inside of a software program called Tailwind. Now, you haven't heard me talk about Tailwind in a while. That's because they made some changes that were really unfavorable to us as pinners and Pinterest marketers, but they are redeeming themselves with something called a smart pin and the ability to generate a pin. So this video is going to be a step-by-step walkthrough of what the pin generator looks like if you're someone like me and you don't like to create graphics or images. So the first thing that I'm going to do is link you with Tailwind. I do have a gift where I'm able to gift you 50 credits. Full disclosure, I'm going to get 50 credits too if you step into a paid plan. Not saying you have to. That's just what they have. They don't really do affiliate marketing on Tailwind anymore, but here we are. So once you create your Tailwind account, you want to go through the step-by-step process and link it to your Pinterest account. For the purpose of this video, I'm not going to show those steps because I really want to get into the generate a pin. This is really, really cool. So once you've set up your Tailwind, you've linked it to your Pinterest account. At the very top left, you see something here that says Pin Scheduler. You're going to click that. And the second option right here says Generate a Pin. And this is so, so cool because we can drop a link, a URL that goes to a blog, a lead magnet, anything that you want Tailwind to create the Pinterest pin for, right? So let's do that. You can see here, it is going to use 3 credits. So I'm going to go grab one of my newest blogs from the lifebydesignSolutions.com called What is UGC? And I'm going to go ahead and paste that right here where it says, hey, paste it. But notice down below it says, would you like to add keywords or phrases? This is where a smart marketer knows, hey, of course I want to. I love and recommend a program called Pin Clicks. If you use my referral link, you get 5 days free. So I'm going to show you real quick. When I go to Pin Clicks to their keyword explorer, I just typed in UGC. And what this allows us to do is look at the volume, look at the keywords that people are using. UGC creator. I'm going to click on that option and I'm going to pull some of those keywords out of Pinterest so that I could feed it into Tailwind. All right. So first one is UGC creator. So I would go to Tailwind and say UGC creator and then hit that comma and go back to Pin Clicks. And we're going to see, do any of these other keywords here make sense to us, right? I can also hover over someone's pin and see what additional keywords they're getting recognition and ranking for. So UGC creator tips for beginners, that's a good one. So I'd put UGC creator tips for beginners, right? And you could use several keywords, but for the sake of time, let me go ahead and generate this pin. Again, that's going to pull 3 credits, and you can see up here I have 652 credits. That's the gift. If I give you my link, I'll link that down below. If you choose to step into a paid plan, you and I will both get 50 credits. So this is reviewing your site's content for key pieces of information. It's looking to see what's needed in order to generate a pin from that URL that we just gave it. So this is going to take a couple of minutes. As you can see, that just switched over to saying writing post copy, incorporating marketing best practices. This AI is just taking over, refining copy against current marketing trends, assessing tone and sentiment. So it's reading my article, it's reading my blog to see how this should look, feel, sound, and here it is. Want to know how to monetize your creativity. Discover the world of user generated content, UGC, where you can get paid for your authentic content. From product demos to day in the life videos, tap into your inner creator and learn how platforms like Backstage, that's one of the ones I recommend in my blog. So that shows you it's really taking that information from my article, connect you with brands that value real people and real experiences. Ideal for all content creators, no massive following needed. So now I can click the blue button that says schedule this pin. And here's what happens. It brings it into what I call like my draft area. All of these pins are draft pins that are able to be scheduled out in my smart schedule. That's a whole nother video. But the cool thing is with Tailwind, they have analyzed millions of what they say social posts, right? And when your followers are most likely to be online and engaged, they fill in our time slots automatically each day based on that audience. So right here, there's the ghostwriter credits it used. There's my image. There's the pin copy, right? The link. Now I can go down here and tell this which board or boards, several, that I want to pin this to. Now, the nice thing is if we choose multiple boards, it is going to automatically set that cadence for 7 days. Pinterest likes that breathing room in between your links. So 7 days is a nice cadence. So I would choose, let me see here. Let me choose a relevant board. I need to create a new UGC board, but how to make money. I'll choose that one for now. How to make money with affiliate marketing. And then I will click schedule. That's going to automatically fill it into the next available time slot. So if we look here, there's the pin that it made for me. Tuesday, April 14th, it's going to post at 8:10 p.m. The problem for me is I already have a post going out the same day with that link. So I want that 7 days in between. So I'm going to take the one they created, click it, and just drag it to next Tuesday, the 21st. And voila. So obviously, if you have any questions, drop them below. Definitely feel free to use my link to start your Tailwind journey. Watch this video as many times as you need to generate your pin. This works, again, like I said, for your blogs, your lead magnets, your offers. Have the smart scheduler, the ghostwriter, and the AI team up together to create your beautiful pin, your copy for you. Again, I do recommend pin clicks or at least some kind of keyword software. And my friend, don't forget to hit follow so that you never ever miss a digital marketing update. See you in the next video.